Momsy, it's Mommy Rafi here and welcome to the Crisis. Ayan, and today, maglilinis kami ni Nora ng bakuran. Ayan, look. Napakaganda ng araw ngayon pero malamig, sobrang lamig pa. At maglilinis kami ng parking. O, ayan, kasi yung si Nora nagbabike na. Dahil kahapon, nagpatabas na kami ng damo sa garden. Ayan, wala na yung mataas na damo. Andito na siya. Lilinisin namin siya ngayon. Ako pala maglilinis. And see, papakagigising lang, ginawa ko na ng coffee. Ayan, dahil malamig. Dito muna kami dito. At ako'y maglilinis na muna. Look. Nana. Nora. Ngayon. Kalat. Yan, aking lilisin. Yala, come. Let's start here, baby. See, look at Papa's car. Dirty. Nalinis-linis ko na yung bando doon. Ito kasi, sabi ni Papa, wag ko na daw galawin dahil ipapahakot daw niya yan. Kasi pwede pang gamitin yung mga kahoy, yung mga branch para sa winter ulit next year, di ba? Ayun, sinura na dun. Nana! Say hi!
I'm throwing this out.
It's okay, babe. Keep it there. We need to dry it out first. Nawala na yung damo ito sa garden. Yan. Ayusin na lang siya. Show, Mama. It's fine, baby.
There's water grass there. Then,
Alika na. Where's your bike?
no, I don't want to go.
Alika na nga. Let's go na nga. The heat is so high, baby.
No.
Let's go. It's so hot, baby. Tanggalin mo na yung jacket mo.
I'm still not done yet.
What? Ay ka, nililinisin pa natin yung kotse. Nalinis ko na pala yung kotse ni Papa. Be careful.
I don't
Why?
Because I like it here.
Alika na.
I need to get vitamin D.
You already get vitamin D. We're already more than 30 minutes in the sun.
No, I need 1 hour.
No, you will get black, baby. Your skin will get black. Your skin will get black if you stay there in the sun on within 1 hour. Halika na. Ay, ayan. So, ayan. Today, nga pala, nag-off nga pala si Firas. So, doon sila ngayon sa garden. Ginagawa nila ngayon yung garden. Kinailangan niyang mag-request ng tao para tumulong sa kanya ano yan, magbungkal. Kasi, gusto kong i-project yung garden. So, andito sila sa labas ngayon. Tingnan natin. Ayan. Kumuha na nga rin pala kami ng mga kahoy for the winter. Next year winter. Baby! You're also doing, you're helping them?
No, this. Let me see.
Ew! No, baby, don't play with that. Where's Papa? Huh? Where?
Here. Cleaning the waterfall.
Yun pala si Papa. Nandun sa may water. Ano to?
Water fountain.
Fountain. Puntahan natin si Papa. Dito tayo sa kabila pumasok. Ayan. Pagkatapos sila magkalat, maglilinis ulit ako. O, diba? Meron akong bagong lilinisin. Dito si Papa. Wait. Ching! Oh!
I will fix like a wall.
Here. How come?
And then we can make it good here. I clean this one, then I will put flowers.
That's what I'm also thinking, Habibi. And how flowers? How about making it like a fireplace?
This is wood.
And
Hard.
make the surrounding with chairs. With the seat. Like this marbles.
The
We'll make
seats
it
will be where is Nora? There.
huh?
The seating will be there. Nora says.
But it will be too far for the fire.
No, no need for the fire. It's summertime only.
No, if it's like winter or like it's autumn, we want to take a barbecue and sit down here on the garden instead of the
We
veranda.
can make with these stones small barbecue. We will build the barbecue and put the metal inside, then put wood fire with holes.
Mm.
Oh. Yeah, Baba. You like to work in the garden?
Oopsie.
Why you are not wearing your sandals?
She's scared to make a dirt on it.
Like that.
Papa
Ayan.
sleepers.
Yes.
You know these wood pieces? Like this one.
Oh, from the post?
This
Oh,
is
it's
for the
hard.
Government. If there is government, they will give us fine. But there is no government. We find it fall down, then we cut it, we bring it. Very strong wood. This one maybe 50, 60, 70 years and still standing.
Okay. So, yan guys. Thank you so much guys for having us. Yang video clips na pinakita ko sa inyo is only in our morning chores na ginawa. So, sobrang dami ang ginawa namin maghapon. Hindi na ako nakapag-video. Pagka nandyan kasi si Firas, yung mga dapat na nagagawa ko dito sa bahay, na sa set aside ko, yung iba, kasi meron siya mga kailangan, kagaya nung ginagawa nga sa garden, nag-ask ako ng kung anong kailangan nila. Kung ano yung kailangan nila, syempre, bigay ko na kasi kawawa na naman, tanghaling tapat, di ba? Ang init-init, kaya kailangan supportahan din natin sila. Parang pagka may mga gawa-gawa dyan sa atin sa Pilipinas, lalo na sa atin, napakainit, di ba? Kung dito init na sila, what more pa yung weather dyan sa Pilipinas. So, update ko lang kayo, no? Kasi this week talagang buong linggong walang pasok si Nura dahil anong dahilan? Nag-aakla sa mga teacher dahil hindi sila nagkakasundo sa sweldo. Yun lang, after nga nung giyera, 'di ba? After nung nangyaring giyera sa South. So simula nung nag-start siya few days ago, pati ang school nila nag-stop din at hindi nagkaroon ng magandang usapan between sa sweldo ng mga teachers. So, ang mga teachers, they have no choice. Kailangan rin naman nilang mabuhay kasi may pamilya din naman sila. Kung hindi sila mababayaran ng tama, what for pa? 'Di ba? Na sa kanila, what for pa na mag-serve sila. Yun lang, and we're talking, me and Veras were talking na ilipat na si Nura next school year sa ibang school, yung talagang matututukan siya. Yung talagang matututukan siya kasi matalino naman yung bata. Gustong-gusto niyang pumasok. Pagkagising kami sa umaga, tatanungin niya ako, Mama, am I going to school? Sabi ko, anak, I'm so sorry. Your teacher is not there, so we cannot go to school. And yes, guys, that will be it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up on this video and also share our videos. Also, subscribe to our channel kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa The Crisis. Alright? And also, click the bell button para makareceive kayo ng notification sa aming mga newly uploaded videos. Alright? Thank you so much. God bless. Bye!